Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. Today topic I will be discussing about one of the important problematic problem from TOC and compiler. We have to know what is called a Turing machine. I read out the problem statement. Given a Turing machine, M, which have set of states, set of input symbol, set up tape symbols and transition function, blank symbol, and then final state, set of final state, and they were forgot to mention about initial state, start state, q naught. Okay. So here they mention what are the transition also. Transition of q naught to along with input acceptance as A, it goes to Q1 state, and the tape symbol is A, which means this A is replaced by this A. Okay, so like that. In Turing machine, we have to mention direction of movement also. So in finite state automata as well as push down automata varieties, they never mention about direction, but here they have to mention about direction. Okay, so I'll explain very clearly. Then what happen here is from q1 accepting B, it goes to q2 transition, and then it replaces small b by small b itself and moving to right direction. From q2 accepting A, it goes to same state, which mean self loop may be occur, and this input A replaced by output A of same symbol, and also it moving to right direction. And then finally from q2 accepting B, it goes to q3, and then it replaces this input symbol B by output symbol B, same type, then it moving to right direction. Okay, so then what is the string accepted by such a represented Turing machine transition? Okay, that is question, and for that we have 4 choices. Okay, so here in order to find out solution, we need to physically represent Turing machine. Okay, so this is the representation. Okay, for example, here q naught, from that it accepting input A, it replacing by same A, it moving to right direction. So I mentioned transition state as q1. Okay, then from q1 accepting B, it replacing with same B, it going to right direction. So if you are not able to follow, I mentioned input tape here. Okay, so initially they have A. Okay, it is replaced by again A, moving right direction. Okay, I am coming here. Okay, so now we have B replaced by B and moving to right direction. I come here. Okay, now they saying that from so we reached from q0 to q1 for accepting A, and then q1 to q2 for accepting B, which means we are at q0, we reached q1, and from q1 to q2 we reached. Now from q2 there is A, and we are replacing by A, and we are moving to same state q2 to q2. Okay, so now what happened after that? There is a B. Okay, so for that before going for this B movement, you want to look at here from q2 to q2 it going, which mean any number of A, 0 or more time A will occur. Okay, that is the self loop. Okay, so now I'll explain there. Okay, so now from Q2 to it moving to Q3. Okay, so which means Q2 to Q3. For that input is B, and then it replaced by B itself. Okay, so now what happened? So it moving to right direction. They mentioned that Q3 is final state. Okay, we have to stop there. Okay, so now what happened? Very simple. Remaining I mean cells of this step will be empty symbol, blank symbol. Okay, so now we want to mention a I mean, so from Q0 to accepting A, it goes to Q1, Q1 to accepting B, it goes to Q2, and I mean, and then Q2 to accepting A, it goes to Q2 itself, self loop. Okay, then from Q2 to Q3, for that it will accept B and it reaching here. This is final state. Okay, so now I'm simply, I mean, A is there, and then followed by B there, then followed by A occur self loop, which means A star we want to mention. Whenever we have self loop in any finite automata or push down automata or even Turing machine, you want to mention A star. Okay, then B here, and this is the actual string it will accept. Okay, it is very specific. None of this string it will accept, only A, B, A star, B. Okay, this alone it will accept, and for this the choice is A, B, A star, B here, and C is right answer. Okay, thank you for watching.